for a country that had 75, maybe 100 years of global dominance, certainly since the Second World War, but even earlier, but certainly since the, so that's a long, that's 75 years roughly, right? So total dominance. I mean, nobody was close. I explained to people, because I'm an economist, the Soviet Union was never an economic competitor of the United States. I give them a statistic. I'll give it to you now, because Americans don't know, because they could find it out in 2 seconds. What is a GDP? You know, the GDP gross, right? It's a rough economics measure of the size of an economy, the footprint, the total output of goods and services in a calendar year. So the GDP of the United States right now, $24 trillion. The GDP of Russia right now, $1.5 trillion. Do you understand? To think of the Soviet Union as an economic competitor means you're ignorant. It's as gross as saying you and that very little midget dwarf person who got stunted by something, who's only 3 feet tall, are no different. What? You're no different. Stop. Whatever else are you, he could be brilliant or she could be, but there's a difference, not in the United States, mentality, can't handle it.